Hi there, today we're going to learn how to create an engagement invitation card using Canva. So here I am in the Canva dashboard. We just searched for some engagement invitation cards here in the search bar. And once we're here, you'll see that Canva has a variety of templates that you can use to edit your own invitation card. So we'll just use one that we like. And for example, I want to use this one. And we can customize this template. And here we are in the design area of Canva. So we can zoom in a little bit on this design, and then once you're happy with this design, we can now edit it so that we can put our own details on it. So for example, we want to change this picture, you can just search for some engagement pictures right here, or if you have your own picture, you can use it as well. So here we are in the photos. For example, this one, just drag and drop. There we have it. We can drag and drop it again to use it properly. There's something away. So we can just use this one. And then we can add a frame. This one, this one, change it here. And then we'll still keep this border logo, the front, and then have our new picture. And then if you want to upload your own picture, you can do so as well. You can just go upload files, and then search for your picture, and then upload it. For example, once the picture has uploaded, you can now go here, and then we can layer this to the back. And then you can see that the text is not clearly seen because of the background. So what we can do is go to elements, and then we'll search for some transparent background. You can use graphics. This. Then we'll say forward. Don't really see anything. Just use another one. This one. Then layer this to the back. And layer it again. And this. Just change the font. Like a blurred background. That it. This one. Send this to the back. Click on layer and send it to the back. Then we can bring it forward, and bring it forward again until we can see our background. So I guess it doesn't. We'll layer it forward. One. What happened to the background? So we'll just fix it. It's this one. Fix it. There we have our blurred background so we can see our text more clearly. Then we'll change this text here. That. Then maybe we can change the colors of this one. Really like colors properly. Mm. So I guess we'll just stick with this design and then we'll change this into black. Name it green. Then we change the colors of this. Font size if you want. That's it. So if you're happy with your engagement invitation card, you can just click on share. You can just click on download. Then you can download the photo that we just did, or the engagement card that we just did in Canva. So I hope you learn how to create your own invitation card. Just need to experiment with the different features that Canva has so you can edit your engagement card into your desired look. And then that is it. Thank you for watching.